So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Concepts with Snigdha. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic and this is the most awaited video. This is about the phases of the moon. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw the phases of the moon. Okay, so before starting that, let me teach you what are the phases of the moon. The moon has 8 different phases. It goes from the new moon to the full moon, again from the full moon to the new moon. So today we'll draw the entire lunar cycle and show it to you. So everyone be ready with your scale or ruler, compass or rounder, your sharpened pencil, your color pens. Okay, everyone be ready with it. So we're going to start doing our phase of the moon. Yay! Take a ruler or scale, then we draw one imaginary line over here. This line should be like the faded line, okay? It should not be a dark line because this line is only for reference, okay? You can just erase this line afterwards. This line is only for reference purpose, okay? I think you all can see the line over here. Okay, on this line, then you will take any point over here. On this line, just take one point with the help of a pencil first of all. This is suppose the point over here. Suppose I'm taking it over here. Okay, there should be enough space because आपका lunar cycle यहाँ पे होगा. ठीक है बच्चा? ठीक है everyone. So now you will take this one over here. Then you start to draw your earth. You can just measure any you can take any smaller size, okay, if you want, okay, but always remember that the earth should be bigger than the moon, okay. आप जो moon लोगे उससे earth हमारा bigger होना चाहिए, okay. So now after drawing the earth, you can see the boundary over here. Take your compass over here, put on this point. आपको दिख रहा है ये point everyone? Just put your compass over here. आपका ये जो compass का needle यहाँ पे रहेगा, ठीक है. आप यहाँ पे डालो needle and draw a sun over here. The sun should be in a half circle, okay. Because हमें अभी के लिए sun इतना चाहिए नहीं, थोड़ा बड़ा होना चाहिए, okay. It should be little like a half circle. ये आपका हो गया आपका sun, जो यहाँ पे रह गया हमारा sun, okay. We'll look after the sun later, okay. You don't need to just see like it's like you. आपको ये सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है कि ये बहुत messy दिख रहा है. It will all be erased, okay. So now let's continue with our lunar cycle, okay. Now देखते हैं बच्चा, देखो अभी क्या करेंगे. अभी हमारा लूनर साइकिल का वो जो रिंग बनाएंगे, जो हमारा साइकिल का रिंग बनता है वो रिंग बनाएंगे, ठीक है. थोड़ा बड़ा वाला लेना और मेक अ रिंग अराउंड द अर्थ. आपके अर्थ के चारों ओर एक रिंग बना देना. दिस रिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करके आप लोग का सारा बनेगा आपका मून, ओके. सो फर्स्ट दिस पॉइंट, पुट अ डॉट ओवर हियर, दिस पॉइंट and this point you will have your 2 moons, that is your new moon phase and your full moon phase. Take a smaller circle, smaller measurement circle, okay. Make the first moon. It's actually a bigger one right now. Make a smaller one. This is the first phase. You can erase the extra ones. These kinds of mistakes obviously happens always, okay. And over here again the same measurement. Make a round over here, okay. This is the this is the first phase, this is the full moon phase, okay. I'll discuss about this, okay. Then after taking that, take your scale and draw again, making it a perpendicular over here. Draw 2 points over here. You can see 2 points should be there over here, okay. Then the next phase, okay. Then this is the half, this is the half and last quarter, okay. First quarter and last quarter. Then you can take it over here, okay. It is like a 60-degree angle over here, okay. 45-degree angle over here, 45-degree angle. Take it over here. Similarly, like 45-degree angle over here. Again, draw the dots over here, okay. These dots are going to be the centers of the next circles, okay. See over here. Next, see, same measurement of the moon, okay. Again, make a moon over here. Again make one more moon over here. Again make one more moon over here. Sorry, this thing normally happens with me. The rounder normally jumps off the surface. Does this happen with you also? When I'm in a hurry to do a lot of things, it normally jumps. Then the next one is over here. Then the next one is over here. Yay, tada! Let me just clean the surface, okay? So as you can see, I've erased all the extra lines and I put all the black marker for the places that are required actually, and I've erased all the extra lines. Okay, you can see it should actually look like this. Okay, after making it look like this, okay, we'll start actually filling up all these things. Okay, so this is your sun, this is your earth, and these are your moons. Okay, the different phases of your moon. Okay, so first phase is the new moon phase. In the new moon phase, the moon is not at all visible to anyone. Okay, so this phase you're going to color the entire moon black because the moon is invisible. Okay, so this is the first phase that is called as the new moon phase. NEW, new moon phase. This is the first phase. Okay, then when the move little bit travels, okay, upwards, okay, in the 45-degree angle with the earth, the second phase that comes is your waxing crescent. Always remember, the moon will grow from your right to left. It will start growing from right to left. Okay, as I told right now, we're going to, the moon is going to grow from right to left. So let us make it, it's like a silver over here. A small thin crescent will be visible. Okay, it is called as your waxing crescent. Okay, this portion is complete black. Only a silver of the moon is visible over here because the moon is tilted little bit. Only silver is visible. Okay, let's color it. This is called as the second phase, called as waxing crescent. CRESCENT, waxing crescent. Then comes the perpendicular part. Okay, over here the moon becomes exactly half. Okay, half is visible. Okay, so I'll do a little bit tricky part for you to like to understand it clearly. You can see the dot over here. Make a half over here, again a half over here, because this is your first quarter, this is your last quarter. Okay, let's color. So I told right now that the moon is going to grow from right to left. So your light phase is over here and this is the dark phase. Okay, let's color it now. This is your light, this is your light phase, this is your dark phase. My mistake, I have actually colored it in that way. Okay, so we're going to color it over here. It is your dark phase. This is your half moon phase, when the moon is half visible from the earth, because the sun's light falls on the moon in the half of the moon. Okay, so this portion is visible from the people to the people from the earth. Okay, after half moon phase, for the next phase is your waxing gibbous. In this phase, the moon starts to completely appear. Okay, it is called as gibbous. Why? Because the name has come from a word called as gibbous. That is, you know what does this mean? It means hump. Okay, it looks like a hump or not? So we're going to color this portion now, because only a small silver is left out for the moon to be completely visible, or for the full moon phase. Okay, this is the phase that is called as your waxing gibbous. Okay, let's name the phase and write down its name. The phase is called as your waxing gibbous. O-U-S. This is your waxing gibbous phase. Then this phase is your full moon, because over here the moon receives the complete light of the sun. That's why when the moon is over here from the earth, it is what completely visible. It is your full moon or your Purnima. So now the moon will again start decreasing after full moon. Let us write down over here full moon. It is the phase where the moon is completely visible from the earth. Yes or no? Now next comes the moon starts to decrease again. When the moon starts to decrease, it will again decrease from right to left. Let's start. So this portion will be dark and the other portion will be white. You can see It is starting to decrease. Yes or no? It is your waning. Waning means decreasing. Waning means decreasing. It is your waning gibbous. Again, why it is gibbous? Because it looks like a hump. Waning gibbous. Gibbous. Then comes the next one is called as your last quarter. You can see over here in the half moon phase, this side is lit side, this side is dark side. What happens over here? Just the opposite. This side is right now, it is going to become dark because it is decreasing. Yes or no? It is the last quarter. Because after this quarter, the moon, why it is called last quarter? Because after this quarter, the moon will continue to decrease and ultimately it will form what? The new moon. Okay, let me use the other color. Okay, it's very difficult in coloring this one. It takes a lot of time in coloring that one. Use a thicker marker if you are comfortable with it. Okay, because it takes less amount of time to color it. Okay, otherwise you can use a normal sketch pen, no problem with it. Okay, this is your last quarter. Last quarter. Let me just lift it up. Okay, quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Then after the last quarter, what comes to the last quarter? That is your waning crescent. The last crescent moon before your new moon. So where is it? It will be over here because the moon is decreasing in size. Yes or no? This portion will be black. Let us color with the sketch pen again. This portion is black. This is your waning crescent. Let me color it properly now. This is the waning N-I-N-G crescent. Okay, so now let us put the arrows. New moon, then over here is your waxing crescent, then your half moon. Yes or no? Then your waxing gibbous, then comes your full moon, then your waning gibbous. The moon starts to decrease again from right to left. Yes or no? Then your last quarter, then waning crescent. You can see the moon is like starting to decrease. Then over here is your new moon. This is your entire lunar cycle. So let's complete the rest all coloring. So now this is how it will look after it is completely colored. Okay, so let me again explain you this one and let me show you a simple hack how to memorize this one. Okay, first of all, the phase near the sun, okay, in between the sun, near the sun is called as your new moon. Exactly opposite to it is your full moon. Okay, so when you're drawing it, new moon, full moon are exactly opposites. Okay, the first one is new moon, over here is the full moon. Then the 90-degree portion, okay, over here one is the half moon, the other is the last quarter. Over here the right is lit, over here is the right is unlit or dark. Okay, and then waxing crescent and waning gibbous are similar. Okay, over here the right is lit, over here the right is dark. Same over here, waxing gibbous and waning crescent, the right is lit, over here the right is dark. In this manner you can memorize the entire of your phase of moon. Okay, so this was all about for today and I'm going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.